Very good morning to all of you. Thanks for joining us here on Mirror Now. I'm Afrida Rahman Ali. Let's begin with big breaking news coming in. Second FIR in the Lakhimpur case accessed, and the second FIR is based on the BJP workers' complaint. A second FIR against unknown people have been registered. FIR registered on the 4th of October. Sections of murder mentioned in FIR, and the BJP workers' complaint mentions that the farmers attacked their vehicle. BJP workers' complaint also talks about how the driver was injured in stone pelting. This is a case that was registered on the 4th of October. The FIR has been accessed now. Case registered under sections 147, 323, 324 and 302. Let me go across to Alok joining us with more inputs on this. So Alok, here is another FIR that we have accessed even though it was filed on the 4th of October. Take us through the important details that we have on this FIR, please.
Yes. So in the FIR, if you see that there is two-page FIR, and in this two pages FIR, there is no mentioning of Ashish Mishra, who is one of the accused, which was in the first FIR. And in fact, in this second FIR, which is registered on the complaint of BJP worker Sumit Jaiswal. And remember, Sumit Jaiswal was present in the convoy, which was going to attend the ceremony. And that convoy was of Ashish Mishra. In fact, in the FIR, it has written that Sumit Jaiswal and other BJP workers were present in the car, in the Thar car. And in that car, Hariom was the driver who was driving the vehicle. And in fact, there were farmers who were standing on the roadside and they were protesting. They were carrying stones and sticks on their hands, and while the convoy was passing, they were pelting stones and sticks. They're banging sticks on the vehicles as well. This is written in the FIR, and due to which the driver Hariom got injured in his head, and then he stopped the vehicle. And later after that, he was pulled out of the vehicle and he was attacked. Not only him. There was another BJP worker. Three other BJP workers were also beaten to death. So this is what the primarily FIR is. This FIR was registered on 4th of October, on the same day when the first FIR was registered. And in fact, if you see in this FIR, there is no mentioning of Ashish Mishra, and also there is no mentioning of any of the ramming, any of the accident that was happened, but due to which many farmers, that 4 farmers got killed. So this is important fact. So that definitely this is two different FIRs and two different versions from both the sides. There are allegations. If you see in the first FIR, the farmers have leveled allegation against Ashish Mishra. In the second FIR, if you see, they have leveled allegations against the protesting farmers. So right now the police is investigating the case. We have to wait that what will happen next. Back to you.
Yes. So Alok, the primary question again is that, despite 2 FIRs, and in one of them, like you just mentioned, MOS Home and his son is actually mentioned, their names mentioned in the FIR as well. Despite that, we do not have any news of any arrests being made. Now, what is the UP police saying about the progress in investigation? What is the headway they have made after filing those FIRs on the 4th of October?
See, when we talk to senior police officers of Uttar Pradesh, they are not ready to talk on the investigation part. Yes, they are saying that they were primarily trying to control the law and order situation after this incident. There were 2 days, there was a lot of ruckus in that particular village as well as in the district, because a lot of political parties, opposition were also trying to move over there. So the police was busy in that. But yes, they had registered the FIR, which is usually done by the police in any of the cases. But they could not get the proper time to investigate the matter. But now they have started the investigation. Remember, there is a judicial inquiry has also been ordered by the Uttar Pradesh government. So retired the High Court judge, he will also supervise the investigation. And the team has already been constituted. One additional SP level officer is investigating the case. And we are getting to know that the accused person will be summoned. But yes, definitely this question will remain there, that it's more than 3 days of this incident. But not only nobody has been arrested, but even the main accused into this case not even called for questioning as well. Back to you.
Yes, that is interesting, Alok. And what you said before that police has been busy all this while restraining opposition leaders from accessing Lakhimpur Kheri. And Alok says that could be one reason why they have not made any progress in detaining, even summoning any one of the accused has not happened till now. Thank you so much for giving us the latest details, Alok.